so fast. A blue light cotton transit on the nightstand, you couldn't stand it.
It's just a hub of all these people in one spot, 1 week. And so it's really convenient for us to like go to the Gear Expo and the panels and meet the people and watch the other bands. And it's so great that it's all in one spot, condensed.
Honestly, one of our favorite times of the year.
And it all happened so fast. On the down low, here's the black hole.
We have a giant van that we've affectionately named Black Betty, and we just kind of stuff her full of equipment, but we also had to stuff ourselves in there because we have so many people.
Yeah, we actually fit 3 people in one seat of our van yesterday. That was a new goal.
New heights.
Yeah.
Stuff going on in the places that we can have access to. These guys went and watched Frankie Cosmos and Porches the other night. So, we try to take advantage of every time we come down here and see how many things that we can do when we're not playing music, which, we're playing music all the time, so.
I've been with BMI like 2 years.
Yeah. We started our band 4 years ago, and we kind of started to figure out what's the best way that we can build ourselves as musicians and as the Accidentals. And we were like, well, we should probably affiliate ourselves with the best of the best. And we were like, oh, BMI is right there. Like, let's just go ahead and do that. These guys have a good reputation.
Let's do that bass, Savannah.
You can prepare as much as you want, but until you're here, you don't know.
Try everything. Go out there and experience as much as you can. Talk to whoever. I know you're introverted most of the time, but just go out there and talk to people, and you will make so many great connections and friends here at South by. That's what it's for.
And drink lots of water.
Do you regret it? Do you regret it? Do you regret it? Do you regret it?